Hello kids, welcome back to our fun learning channel. Today we are going on an exciting space adventure. So sit tight, relax and get ready to explore the amazing universe. Let's start with the biggest and brightest object in our sky, the sun. The sun is a giant ball of fire made of hot gases. It gives us light and heat every day. Without the sun, Earth would be dark, cold, and lifeless. That's why the sun is very important for all living things. Now let's travel through our solar system and meet the planets. Our home is Earth, full of water, air, animals, and humans. There are 8 planets in total. Mercury, the smallest and closest to the Sun. Venus, the hottest planet. Earth, our beautiful home. Mars, the red planet. Jupiter, the biggest planet. Saturn, famous for its ring. Uranus, icy and tilted. Neptune, very far and super windy. Each planet moves around the sun. This movement is called an orbit. Now look at the sky at moon. That shiny object is the moon. The moon does not make its own light. It reflects sunlight. Sometimes it looks full, sometimes half, and sometimes it disappears. These are called the face of the moon. Want to go to space? You need a rocket. Rockets are powerful machines that fly into space with huge fire and energy. Astronauts are brave people who travel in rockets. One famous astronaut is Neil Armstrong, the first human to walk on the moon. Astronauts wear special suits to survive in space. In space, astronauts live in special homes called space station. The most famous one is the International Space Station. They float in space and do experiments there. Satellites are machines that move around Earth and help us watch TV, use GPS, and predict weather. Look up at the night sky. Those teeny shining dots are stars. The sun is also a star, but it looks bigger because it is close to us. Millions of stars together form a galaxy. We live in the Milky Way galaxy, our cosmic home. Now let's talk about something mysterious: black holes. Black holes are places in space where gravity is super strong. They pull everything inside. Even light cannot escape. They are invisible, but scientists can detect them by their powerful effects. Sometimes you see a bright light moving fast in the sky. That's a meteor. Comets are icy space objects that travel around the sun and have glowing tails. They look beautiful and magical. So kids, space is full of amazing wonders. From the bright sun to mysterious black holes, there is so much to learn and explore. Maybe one day you can become an astronaut too. If you enjoyed this space adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.